Except for the ventilator facility, all the other facility of the ICU will be here, and at a very low cost. We charge about 300, 400 rupees, but still, if Dr. Dhanraj has suggested that the price to be reduced below 50, we can still do that with the concurrence and going on a sort of permission from the health ministry. But still, we'll push for that. We'll fight for the lowest possible fare so the poor people can be benefited out of that particular thing. We have seen after the post-COVID how we all have suffered and coming out of that, and also the present crisis. But still, RIMS is very much with a very big intention, and we are standing here to serve the people of this side of the country with our best facility, modern facility, and we are ready to procure any type of latest equipment and medicine once initiated by the head of department or the medicine side. So with that, I congratulate the head of department, all the faculties of the medicine who have taken active participation in opening up of this much needed facility to the public. For reopening of intensive treatment unit happening. Aduga ICU money, aduda koi na sidai ventilator lay raga su ventilator lay patient na medical ICU da thamaga. Si sina intensive treatment unit lay na. ICU ka chamana facility. Hana kun mathoi ni sida drama thoi ni option dois. Pulamna koi gi medicine gi makada ICU kun traum doi ni lay. The facility loina bak lay. High end facility requirement loina bak lay sida. Private hospital amda koi gi ICU ma da lising kun thra gi normal demand ID charges la ko si da koi hoji to risi lupa chom chamni to se stage da makha ta na koi gi lupa yang khai ni fu yang khai da to se na adugi suggestion lai koi gi head of department na thambi rai adu koi mathang ministry da pukhalaga du khana gan institute of national importance hai aims like heaven adu koi na in future the institute of national importance thangat bagi already government of India da demand to ba lai mo na karam kan da pirakan ni hai ba ngam adu tawraga de koi aims ka chamana loi notice di koi yam one of the best ne koi lai facilities aims ko hati la raga su moi patient yam kan lai tri hoji ko koi gi hoji ana koi gi RIMS ka odor ko da 300 bed ta gi hong ki bani ma thong thong gi hoji lisingam ka chom yok sat adagi notice sa hare ga di Shillong lai ni RIMS lai adu gi moi bed se around 600 ku madangai facility gi oina de si koi one of the best government hospital in the country hai